Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2602 code, don't ignore it. This code is related to the coolant pump control circuit, which helps the vehicle maintain proper engine and cooling system temperature. What does P2602 mean? P2602 stands for coolant pump control circuit low. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the electrical signal or voltage in the coolant pump control circuit is lower than the expected range. The coolant pump may be an electric pump used for engine cooling, turbocharger cooling, or another cooling circuit. The ECU monitors the pump's electrical operation. If the control signal becomes too low, the ECU can store the P2602 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2602, you may notice: check engine light on, engine temperature running higher than normal, overheating, cooling fan running frequently, reduced engine performance, poor heating or cooling performance in some vehicles, and sometimes limp mode. If the coolant pump stops working completely, continuing to drive can cause serious overheating. Component location: the coolant pump is normally located in the engine compartment and connected to the vehicle's cooling system. Depending on the vehicle, it may be near the engine, radiator, thermostat housing, or turbocharger cooling circuit. The pump is connected to the ECU through an electrical wiring harness. Common causes: the most common causes of P2602 include faulty electric coolant pump, low voltage supply, damaged wiring, short to ground, loose electrical connector, corroded connector terminals, blown fuse, faulty relay, poor battery voltage, or ECU problems in rare cases. A wiring or power supply problem should be checked before replacing the pump. Quick diagnosis: first, scan for additional cooling system codes. Check the coolant level and inspect for leaks. Inspect the pump wiring and connector for damage or corrosion. Check the related fuse and relay. Use a multimeter to check the pump's power, ground, and control circuit. If your scan tool supports active testing, command the coolant pump on and verify its operation. Also monitor engine coolant temperature. How to fix P2602: repair damaged wiring. Repair any short to ground condition. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Repair the power or ground circuit. Replace a faulty fuse or relay after finding the reason it failed. Replace the coolant pump if testing confirms failure. Clear the trouble code. Then run the engine and verify that coolant temperature remains within the normal range. Final result: fixing P2602 will restore proper coolant pump control, help maintain the correct engine temperature, prevent overheating, and protect the engine from serious damage. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.